right? The month of February has come to an end, right? And those preparing for JRF in veterinary science are now concerned. How will we prepare meticulously? So don't worry, we had brought two full courses with live classes, tests, and the PDFs previously. And now all those who are preparing on their own can also attempt our mock test because we have separately brought in the test series for veterinary clinical subjects and for veterinary paraclinical subjects as well, right? In these test series, you will have access to the premier questions framed by the premier faculty. And in the veterinary clinical subjects, you will have access to nine tests, three each on veterinary medicine, veterinary surgery, veterinary gynecology, and two combined tests, the one combined test of veterinary medicine and surgery, and a final test comprising all the three subjects with 120 questions of 2 hours, right? So you can attempt this test any number of times and you can ace yourself to prepare for the JRF, especially for the clinical subjects. But even for the paraclinical subjects, we have brought in another test series which will cover veterinary anatomy, pharmacology, parasitology, pathology, microbiology, and veterinary public health and epidemiology, right? So in this paraclinical, you will have access to 18 regular mock tests and then you will have access to a final test. So you will have access to 19 mock tests which you can attempt any number of times. So don't waste your time. Start preparing and start attempting these mock tests. Once you prepare for a subject, you attempt the mock test of that subject. Once you prepare for the second subject, you prepare for the mock test of the second subject. So this way you can prepare yourself very well and ace the ICR JRF Veterinary Science 2024 by our mock test, by practicing with our mock test. Then you will, after attempting the mock test, you will have the correct answers, the incorrect answers you have given, and the solution, most important, why this choice is only correct, why not the others? So we are also providing, we are the only one in India which who are providing the solution to the correct answers. And then you can evaluate yourself, but don't be depressed by these mock tests. These are simply for your practice. You need to read, you need to prepare yourself by remembering the topics of the subject and then attempt the mock test. We are providing these mock tests which will provide you a guidance and which will provide you a practice to attempt the questions when you appear for the ICR JRF 2024 in veterinary sciences, right? So those of you who have already purchased our regular courses, they will have access to these mock tests in the regular course. But those who have not purchased our regular course can even opt to purchase only the mock test series and attempt the questions. These questions will help you to practice. These questions will give you insights how questions are appearing in the ICR JRF in veterinary science because of the change pattern since last 3 years. You have to be very sure that you can attempt all types of questions. So have a nice time. Join our courses, attempt the mock test, and excel in the examination. If you have any difficulty, we have our uh, Telegram and WhatsApp groups where you can post your query and you can have access and you will get reply to any of your query, any of your question. Joining our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, we are regularly posting mock that also, and we are also providing premier reading material as well. So, irrespective of whether you join our courses or not, download our GNP classes so that you will have access to our uh, premier content, which includes the books, which includes the reading materials, which includes many charts, many diagrams, which will help you understand, right? So, even if you don't purchase our course, you please join the GNP Sir classes by downloading in your mobile, and you will get access to much more reading material. So, kindly join our test series and benefit from the premier questions framed by our premier faculty, right? See you in the course. All the best.